Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp QR code not scanning. If your phone can't scan the QR code on WhatsApp web or WhatsApp desktop, then this video will help you solve the problem. In my case, the QR code is scanning perfectly. However, if it isn't scanning on your device, follow these solutions one by one. First, make sure your phone's camera lens is clean. If the camera lens is dirty or smudged, it may not recognize the QR code properly. Simply wipe the lens with a soft cloth and try again. Next, increase your computer screen brightness. If the screen is too dim, the QR code can be difficult for the camera to detect. Now refresh the QR code by pressing F5 in your browser or clicking the refresh button. A new QR code will appear. Then try scanning the new code. Also, check that both your phone and computer are connected to a stable internet connection. A poor network connection can prevent WhatsApp from linking your device. Now open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Linked Devices, tap Link a Device, and scan the QR code again. Make sure the entire QR code fits inside the camera frame. Next, check if your WhatsApp app is up to date. Open the Play Store or App Store and install any available updates. If the issue still isn't fixed, restart both your phone and your computer, then try scanning the QR code again. These are the most effective ways to fix WhatsApp QR code not scanning in 2026. In most cases, one of these methods solves the problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.